Hey everybody, I just want to talk to you about getting set up with AutoDesk and trying to get an AutoDesk account so that we could possibly use some of their products as students. So the first thing we want to do is go to a Google search here, and we're going to type in AutoDesk, one word, doesn't have to be a cap actually, AutoDesk, and then student. Go ahead and click that link. Now, with me, it comes up as the first thing, but you might have to scroll down and find it. But what you want is Autodesk Student Community, free software and resources for ... Go ahead and open that. And now this is going to be different for everybody, so we have a few scenarios here. First thing you want to do is get over here to Get Products. And with that, we can go in two directions. Number one is it might say already have educational access, at which point I want you to try this first. Go ahead and click sign in. And then what you're going to do is use your ComSwag email address and then hit next. And then for your password, try putting in the password that you used to log into my lab. If that doesn't work, what you might try is at some point, I remember the passwords were switched around a little bit. And there was an older version of the password. If you can remember that, give that a try. If not, and it doesn't work, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to here. And instead of sign in, what I want you to do is try get started. Now with that, you're going to fill out this form and then hit next, and it's going to ask you a bunch of questions. At some point, it might ask you to verify. What that means is they're going to send you an email, and it's going to give you some sort of, I think it's a link that you click on, or it might be a number or a code. Just do your best to follow the directions of what they ask for, and then you might get in and have your account set up. Or what will happen is your account may not be set up because you might have to do a different kind of verification. So for me, I had to take my school ID and take a picture of it with my phone and then email it to them. And then they got back to me in 24 hours, and they were able to get my account set up for me. And it was good. It's good for 3 years. So I can download all sorts of Autodesk software, student version of it, up to 3 years, and at which point I'll have to renew. And that process is just as involved, but for some reason it's different per person, whether or not you have to do something like that. But again, I want you to go ahead and try that. Now, the other thing about the email is currently the ComSwag email is blocking any sort of external emails coming in, anyone outside the ComSwag network. So what I've done is I've put in with the powers that be and have allowed several AutoCAD email addresses to come through. Hopefully I've picked the right one, and we're going to see whether or not that works for you. Okay, so good luck. I want you to try this. Once you do get in, by the way, let me go ahead and log in. What you're going to find is it'll say hello Vincent, or in your case whatever your name is will come up. You're open to all of this stuff and all of this software, including AutoCAD, for free. You can download and get on your computer. If you don't have a computer that's powerful enough to use AutoCAD, they do have a web-based version of it, which you can use on your Chromebooks to access. Let me see if I can. Actually, the video is becoming too long, but we'll talk more about the web-based version. It's an AutoCAD web-based app that you can use. All right, so good luck to you guys.